Thanks a lot for introduction. So I am the one now between you and the break. So but I can't promise that I would be short. Okay, but at least I will try my best. So what my company EKSPLA do is we focus on producing laser sources, and I would try to explain how the modern ultrafast lasers can be used for the production and developing of the micro LEDs. So, and you already heard yesterday a number of applications, and I would say the core applications for the ultrafast lasers or any other type of lasers for micro LED production is laser liftoff, laser-induced forward transfer, laser-induced mass repair, including in some cases laser trimming. These applications, of course, compared to the other mass applications, has its own advantages, such as high accuracy or high throughput. But you already heard that yesterday, isn't it? So that would be very boring if I would be starting to repeat that once again. Instead, I decided, okay, let's speak about something different, where the lasers can be very beneficial, and without lasers, it won't be possible to make any modern devices, including micro LEDs. And so this is the one of the areas where I believe the lasers are very beneficial, and switching from the main applications to the backplanes of the displays. And even a couple of minutes ago, so glass backplane is one of the most promising backplanes for the making displays, including micro LEDs. And this is the main advantages of the glass substrates or glass backplanes, because of the high thermal conductivity. So because of the quite high heat dissipation from the micro LED or mini LED chips. So high transparency because of the optical good parameters from optical sides, high transparency, which contributes to the higher brightness from the micro LEDs. Dimensional stability, because not independently on the environmental conditions, changing environmental conditions, especially when we speak about the automotive industry. So the both structure of the glass substrate as well as dimensions remain stable, as well as scalability, which is because we have entire industry developed for scaling building the glass substrates, and which contributes to the lower cost of production. So that's why I believe that this substrate has really high potential for building micro LEDs. So what can be done with and how the ultrafast lasers can be beneficial while processing the glass? One thing is about the glass singulation. These are I would show some samples which are not directly taken from the display processing, but this is just to show you some samples how it could be beneficial. So first application is about the processing of glass for the glass singulation, using the bezel beam and applying the laser working in megahertz burst, which gives possibility to process the quite thick substrates, not just in sub-millimeter range, but also in a few millimeters range, with very high accuracy, especially of the sidewalls. And as you can see, the roughness can be lowered down to below half of microns. And the latest applications that were done using our laser, which combines not just megahertz burst, but combined megahertz and gigahertz burst, also called burst-in-burst mode. It allowed to